Don't ever put your hand on me, yo.
Shush.
Let me record this.
Please do.
Yeah, they said that my cousin don't know that. Well, they say the rent office don't know that we're in here, but they clearly do because she just left like a week ago.
Florida, February 3rd, 2023. Officers responded to a squatter call at a vacant housing authority apartment. Here is what the law says about every charge that followed.
Hey, bud.
Larry?
Yeah, I see ya.
One?
Because the girl didn't pick up the keys, so there shouldn't be anyone.
It's locked.
It's locked out?
Mm-hmm.
It's not locked. No, it's not locked.
Fort Myers Police!
Let me just watch the top.
Come to the door!
Charlie 65 Road Market Street.
Come to the door! Open the door!
Tower 31, 22 Market Street, Paramount. There's a lot of commotion in the background.
What?
Doesn't matter. Open up the
You're
door.
saying that there's nobody supposed to be in this unit. According to housing, nobody's supposed to be here. It says my cousin's house.
Oh,
Listen, this is my cousin's house. She told me I can stay the night over here. She's a
your
white
cousin?
girl. Her name is Rachel.
Alright. Do me a favor, don't put your hands in your pockets. Do you have anything illegal on you? Because
No, sir.
I can already smell weed boiling out of the house, which is why I want to know.
Oh,
Is there
no.
gonna be anything illegal inside the house?
No, sir. You can go in.
Why you got...
Bathe. I bathe. Pot.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead. You guys can go in.
Anybody else in there with you?
My cousin.
Where are they at?
Where's she at? Just stay
Stay here.
Just stay over here with me.
Yeah,
Got her.
Let me record y'all. Cause y'all doing this right here.
Fort Myers Police.
Let me call my mom. Say right.
No.
No, that's right.
Yes.
Hey,
What?
I said no. Stand over here. Thank you.
Don't
Until
touch
we're
me
done-
now. Don't touch me.
Until we're done with this investigation. You'll go in cuffs.
Stay right there.
All right, I ain't going nowhere. You don't need to pull out no gun because it's only a boy up there. Don't shoot.
Okay.
Why you searching me like that?
No one searched you. You're not
Okay.
going anywhere. I told you you're not going anywhere, and
Okay,
that's
and
what I
I'm
said.
I'm gonna record you. 'Cause
That's
I know
fine,
your
I'm
blood.
recording
I know,
too.
yeah, record. Yeah, they said that my cousin don't know that. Well, they say the rent office don't know that we're in here, but they clearly do because she
No, they
just
don't.
left like a week ago.
They don't.
They just changed the locks.
Listen, I'm telling you, they're saying no one is
Okay,
in
can we
here.
get our stuff and go then?
In a minute, when we're done.
Okay, that's it. That's it. There we go. All right. There's no one else in there. Y'all doing all that for what? You standing right here in front of me.
No,
And she's putting her hands on me, so I want to know her name.
You're not going anywhere.
I didn't say I'm going nowhere, but you pushing me like you gonna do something.
I can put
and
you in
I'm-
handcuffs and take you to jail for trespassing. You tell me what you want to do.
Stop.
Fort Myers Police. Anybody upstairs, announce yourself now.
Stay right there.
She arrested me like pushing me like what the wrong with you?
Yeah, but you can't talk. Listen, just
So
chill,
what, bro? She
man.
pushed me. I don't give a what she talking about. Don't ever put your hand on me, yo.
Shush.
Charlie 5.
Let me record this.
Please do.
Man, let me see. Let me call my mama. Sit right here. Don't go nowhere.
Your ID on there?
I know, sir. I don't.
Yeah.
I'm a minor. Bitch. She put her hand on me like she know me.
Cleared.
Lucky you got big boys in front of you. I'll whoop you.
Okay, all right.
What you gonna do?
I think we're gonna hit them both for
No,
trespassing.
I ain't do
That's
that.
what I think we're gonna do.
live out here.
All
How
I
you
need
gonna
is
trespass
just
me?
housing out here.
How she gonna trespass?
That's it.
I have a set room back.
She can't trespass me because I live out here. Because she gonna put her hand on me, bro. Tell that why she put her hand on me, though, bro.
Stop. We don't
Why
need all
whoop
this. We don't need all this. You're not whooping anybody. Relax.
Because she flagging, bro. She pushed
Relax.
me, bro.
What is all over you?
Powder, bro. Powder.
What?
Because I be like, it be hot and I be chasing.
Just relax, okay?
Because she gonna put her hand on me, then she gonna tell me, oh, you keep talking, I'm gonna put you in cuffs.
Can you have management come over here just so I can verify before we take him to jail?
We'll
Can you
figure
go
all
get
this
my,
out.
can you go get my bag, please?
Right now, we're not getting anything.
My bag is on the floor.
Okay, we'll work on that. But right now, we're not getting anything.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
Just
I
give
don't
us- just
want
give
no
us a
smoke.
second.
But she just.
You want to sit down? Do you want to sit on the front of my bumper?
Yeah.
You got ID?
No.
Did you already give the other officer your name?
My name is YG, bro.
Like
YG Brown.
Like YG?
Yes, bro. I ain't do nothing, bro. That's flag. I need my bag up out of there with my school
Like
bag.
Yankee Golf?
Yes.
And last name Brown?
Yes.
Like that's your given name?
Yes.
What's your date of birth?
Huh?
What's your date of birth?
02/27,
What year?
1996.
We're gonna have a seat on my bumper over here, okay?
Why we gotta go all the way to your car?
We're just keeping you two separated.
How y'all gonna trespass me when I live out here?
And it's YG?
Yes.
You have a Florida driver's license?
I'm a whole minor. I'm only 15, bro.
And you were born in 96?
Yes.
That's not a minor.
Well, well, to me, it feel like a minor.
Okay.
Y'all look at me as a minor.
You're an adult.
Yeah.
I haven't treated you like a kid, have I?
She full force, bro.
Hey.
Like I was, don't come over here. Don't
Listen.
tell her to get out my face.
No,
bro. I
stop.
don't want to talk to
Stop.
you. Keep coming over here.
Well, she's our supervisor and she's supervising the city. She will. You need to relax.
I don't
You
like it.
escalate.
Don't touch me. Don't
Stop
talk
it.
to me. Don't look at me.
You escalating this isn't going to help the
I'm
situation.
chilling, bro. I'm
Okay?
sitting on your car, bro. You see me sitting in the car, but why she come way over there? He's on in. Like, come on.
I'm just waiting, like I told you. I'm waiting for the housing unit to get here.
For what, though?
So then she can give me all the information that I need. She can tell me who's supposed to be here and who's not supposed to
I
be
don't know
here.
if she know me or not. Bro, I just told you I was helping her move, bro. I was getting my last little bit of things out of there that she left for me to get, you know? It's not like I'm staying up in there or something, no.
We don't know that.
Well, I'm telling you. Okay.
Once we figure everything out, I'll let you know what's going on.
Okay, that's all that matters, you know? Sure. I don't care about all that, you know? I just got here from school, bro. I just got off the bus. I go to Coronado, bro. I don't have time for this, bro. I ain't doing nothing wrong. Huh? I'm picking up the last little bit of stuff. You see the trash at the door. You see me getting the stuff up.
And when we verify this through the housing, then no big deal.
She don't even know me. Them people up there don't know me, bro.
She works on this property. She knows everybody. Not saying she knows you personally.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Not
saying.
saying she knows you personally.
But she didn't see me.
But she knows this property and she has a tenant list. We don't.
Well, can I get my bag with my
We'll work on that. I told you we're working on that. But right now we're not.
It's crazy, man. That's so crazy.
Nobody else is inside the house now?
No, everybody gone, bro. They just getting their stuff. That's what we're doing.
Is this guy related to you?
Yes, it's my cousin.
Is your cousin?
Yes, sir.
So who's this girl? Relation to you?
I don't even know her.
Okay. You guys are hanging out, so that's why.
Because we was the only two people left in the mother.
Okay.
I don't stay there at all.
You mind just keeping your hands out of your pocket?
It's my phone. That's all I have.
If you want me to pat you down, you're more than welcome to keep your
Yeah,
hands in
you
your pocket.
can.
Okay. Just face my car. Just turn around, face my car. You have nothing gonna poke stick me?
No.
Place your hand in my car.
Lord, let me call my stop. Y'all harassing me. I feel harassed. Especially a man searching me down there. That's inappropriate.
Safety pat down.
No, it's inappropriate. Especially a woman. She should have did it. She's a woman. I'm a woman at the end of the day. So I feel
It's not against our policy to
it doesn't matter.
do a safety pat down. So
So if I want to sue you guys, I can go ahead and do it.
you're right.
You're a man.
You're right. Yes,
I
ma'am.
feel like you're searching me for no reason.
I'm not searching
No, you just did, and you're
Absolutely.
lying in my face.
Absolutely not. I just safety pat down.
All right, I'm done talking to you.
Perfect.
Thank you. I'll just wait for the next officer to hit. This got to stop. And I'm pressing charges on you. So get ready.
Okay.
I'm writing a whole report. And just for that, I want to press charges on her too as well. So it doesn't matter. Just thing got in nasty, just searching me for what? Like I have something on me. Like you said I have a gun? What? No, gun for it. Do you see a gun on me? Obviously, you just see me look like I got a school, right?
I know I can get home, bro. I'm not.
Just hang tight for us.
I know, but I'm
The housing just got out here.
I ain't trying to get nothing over here.
We're gonna find out what's going on.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Why-
I'm talking about an apartment that's supposed to be vacant, right?
Yeah. Why are you in
Why
it?
you still got me sitting there?
Because you were in it. You were in it.
I was what?
In it.
I understand that, but
You were
I
upstairs.
don't have nothing to do with this.
But you were upstairs in the apartment.
You're right, because I want to know why the police were out here.
So why were you in there in the first place?
I came upstairs and looked and then came downstairs.
Yeah.
I don't have to hide from y'all.
Well, you guys hid because somebody locked the door.
No, I didn't hide.
Okay. Well, somebody locked the door.
Then you got Goldilocks up your ass, and I'm about to beat that whole ass, and you keep telling me don't do it because they don't even know what y'all doing. You better ask them to love you. Just know that. When you go back to the police department, ask them. They'll let you know who the f*** I am. Look, there she go right there. Look at mommy, look. And that's exactly who be out here. Like, I was getting my things, like, come on, bro, and then this hoe, she sit over there, look at her like ass. She's so f***ing ugly. She look like she don't matter. So I smell weed. Like last day I smell weed. You can smell weed all you want. You choose no weed in there.
How'd you get over here today?
I was actually at my cousin's house yesterday.
Okay.
At another cousin's house over on in Cypress Court.
Gotcha.
I should hit you in your shit. That's how I feel. Real shit. I should just spit off your shit and go to jail, bro. And rock out in your back seat and beat your ass and jump out. Straight up, show you how I'm living. Real shit, how I feel, bro. On my jig 7, bro. Put you in the M. Get you in my territory. You in my hood. So you better be on all alert. Watch you at all times. You better tell your homeboy about me. Because I'm gonna reach this ass jig. Remember that. Remember my face. Real shit. Don't ever forget. Next time you see me say, oh, that's my G. I'm not the she's a crazy bitch.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Put her in handcuffs.
No, man, no. How y'all gonna hold on. What I ain't do nothing.
Turn around, right your back.
I ain't do nothing.
Turn your left. Your back.
What I did, bro. Can you come get my phone, Jit? Get him
Let
my
go.
phone before you break the phone, bro. Stop. Cause they ain't even do nothing. You
Please
put
stop
me in cuffs,
tensing up.
but what you
Stop tensing up.
I'm asking you to stop
You put
tensing
me in
up.
cuffs first, sir.
Go ahead and
Do not resist.
relax.
And I ain't supposed to be going to jail, bro. I ain't getting in y'all phone, so don't touch me.
Stop.
Did you get my cousin my phone?
Nope.
What?
Only stays with you.
Read me my rights. My camera's still on. Read me my rights. Henry, read me my rights. But you put me in handcuffs for your friend told me to? Your friend told me to? Your friend told me
Stop
to?
moving around.
Cuz, like, come on, bro. Then you put that man in jail too, cuz we ain't even do nothing.
I didn't know they already. I said I didn't know they already. I told him to.
Oh, I understand.
And
but
the
I
threats
didn't-
to law enforcement, she's going to add that tack on there too.
What? Who, me?
Not you, not you.
What? Like, okay, what am I going to jail for?
We're going to figure that out, right? You're not supposed to
Trespassing?
be here, right?
But I don't know. Like, yeah, I came up to the. That's
Do you have anything on you before you get to the jail?
no.
That's gonna...
No, I don't.
That's all it is.
Check your pockets.
Man, that man already checked my pockets, bro.
Take a
You
seat.
better move.
Go
Not
ahead.
with my feet in, cuz.
All the way in.
Don't touch me.
Ma'am, I'm going to ask you to
Man,
step
this
inside my
shit
car.
crazy, Henry. Like, real shit, Henry. Like, you flagging. Can you
Keep
get my
stepping.
phone, Henry?
No, ma'am.
All the way in.
My man, bro. And then when I get out, I'm gonna beat that Chico ass over there too. Watch. I remember you, Chico. You can't hide, ho.
Trespassing. Florida Statute, Section 8, 10.08. Willfully remaining in a structure without authorization is trespass. The housing authority confirmed the unit vacant. The subjects had no documentation of lawful presence. That is the charge. The detention was lawful under Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968. Officers do not need probable cause to briefly detain when specific articulable facts suggest criminal activity. A vacant unit report, the smell of marijuana, and a locked door satisfied Terry's threshold. Probable cause for arrest was established under the totality of the circumstances, the standard from Illinois versus Gates, 1983. Housing management confirmed no authorized occupants. The male subject had 6 prior documented trespasses on this property alone. Threats to a law enforcement officer. Florida Statute, Section 8, 36.12, a third-degree felony. The male subject stated on camera, I should hit you in your shit. And later, I'm gonna fuck you up when I get out. The female made similar statements. All of it was recorded. False identification. Florida Statute, Section 901.36, a first-degree misdemeanor. The female subject told the arresting officer on camera, "I did lie to you, so what?" That admission was volunteered without interrogation. It is direct evidence and is not suppressible. Identification during detention. Florida Statute, Section 8, 56.021, a detained person must provide their name. The statute requires a name, only it does not authorize compelled disclosure of social security number or additional identifying information beyond reasonable inquiry. On Miranda timing. Custodial status attaches the moment a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. The male subject asked to have his rights read after being handcuffed. Those requests should have been answered directly and immediately, not deflected.
He has 6 trespasses here. He has.
Okay. He said he had one from 10 years ago.
He got 6 and a couple arrests on this property.
Do we want to NTA him or take him to jail?
Oh, she's probably getting threats on law enforcement. So
Oh, okay.
they're both going.
Okay, they're both going. Sure. Okay.
But management. But that's why they came to change the locks on Tuesday. Because the neighbors were like, "Hey,
Is that Cordova you sent for?
probably has not lived here for quite some time."
This is my warning, so let me go.
So is this your real name?
Yes, let me go, please, sir.
All right. If I find out that this isn't your real name, you're going to get additional charges.
I know. Can you please let me go, sir? I have kids. I have a wife, bro. I have a girlfriend, bro. You don't have to do me like that, bro. I didn't do anything wrong but record you guys. And y'all getting mad because I recorded y'all? And I'm selling that white lady out because she pushed me really hard and I stumbled, bro? So you will let a bitch push you like that, bro? Without getting mad? Hello? Henry, you got
Give me a second. I'm on the mic. Transporting one female to LCJ. Starting's 24.
So why he ain't going to jail and I'm the only one going to jail? Hello?
You know, you assume a lot.
How do I assume a lot,
You
sir?
assume a
I'm
lot.
scared. Sir, I don't know what you guys are going to do to me,
You weren't
sir.
scared
That's why I
earlier when
started
you were
recording you.
You weren't scared earlier when you
I
threatened my
was scared,
supervisor.
bro.
You were threatening me. You called
You
my...
know, but that's what kids do, bro.
No.
That's what us adults do
That's-
to, you know.
That's not okay.
It's not okay, and I
Period.
know, and I apologize. I was about to apologize,
No.
but you guys just went out the way and just wanted me to go to jail for no
We're past
reason.
that point. You are going to jail, ma'am.
Come on, sir. You have to do me like that, Henry? I thought we were better than that, Henry. And I sat in front of you and I chilled the whole time, Henry, and you still taking me to jail for some bullshit, bro.
Yes, ma'am. You are going to jail because of your actions today, not mine.
I didn't even do anything, Henry.
And
Come on.
I'm telling you, if you're giving me a false name, because they are going to fingerprint you, if you're giving me a false name, I'm going to put that charge on you as well.
I don't care about no extra charge. I did lie to you. So what? Who cares? I did. And I'm telling you in your face I lied. So when you get the real name, just remember me. I'm going to f you up when I get out. And I'm promising you. Just like I did others, I'm going to do you. Same way.
Officer Henry receives a B+. He established a lawful detention, waited for housing confirmation before arrest, warned the female subject about fingerprinting and false ID consequences, and correctly acknowledged the right to record. The Miranda delay and pat-down handling cost the full grade. The male subject receives a C+. He asserted his recording rights correctly and gave a plausible initial explanation. He then made multiple on-camera threats, provided a false name, and had 6 prior trespasses on this property. His own date of birth immediately disproved his claim of being 15. The female subject receives a D. She threatened officers on camera, admitted lying about her name voluntarily, and continued making threats from inside the patrol vehicle. A self-incriminating admission made without interrogation does not survive a suppression challenge. 2 lessons. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content